Hey barbecuers, I'm Kevin.
I'm Claire.
And tonight at 11 p.m. we're going to be throwing on a pork butt. It's going to cook for a long time. We're talking 13-14 hour cook.
And maybe even overnight.
Definitely overnight. Low and slow, getting lots of smoke and lots of flavor. It's a little after 11 p.m. at night, and I'm just about to start this bone-in pork shoulder on the pellet smoker. I'm using the Green Mountain Grill's Daniel Boone model for this cook. I'm going to smoke it low and slow overnight at 195 degrees. This low and slow temperature on the pellet smoker is perfect for really deep and flavorful bark. If you're as excited about this cook as I am, please hit that like button and tell me what you're cooking this weekend. This shoulder comes from Butcher Box. We got a package that cost about $150. It came with a ton of different cuts of meat. You can select pre-designed packages or customize your own. I was very impressed with the packaging, ease of ordering and shipping, and the overall quality of the meats is outstanding. If you haven't heard of Butcher Box yet, definitely check out more in the comments below. They are an online source for a ton of different cuts of meat. Check them out at butcherbox.com. I did something a little different tonight. Instead of going straight to my Holy Grail barbecue dry rub, I started with a brine. The brine has some jerk spices in it that are really going to give this a nice flair. I only brine for a few hours though. Pork shoulders tend to start tasting a little bit like ham if you brine them for too long. I wanted to keep that natural flavor of the pork shoulder. I've injected some of the jerk seasoning into the pork shoulder as well. It's going to be so good, I can't wait. Hit that like button if you think the jerk seasoning is going to taste as good on this shoulder as I think it is. So it's time to get this shoulder on the smoker and get some sleep. I have a full hopper of pellets and I'm ready to start this cook. I'll see you in the morning, and at that time we'll get ready to wrap the shoulder into butcher paper and carry it all the way to 200 degrees. See y'all tomorrow. Good morning everybody. So our shoulder has been smoking for about 8 hours at 195. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the deep mahogany color that's going on this thing. Now I'm going to use my instant read thermometer here to see what the temperature is inside. I need to be careful to avoid the bone. This could throw off my temperature reading. Here's the temperature probe that I use. I'll make sure you've got a link down below for this. Yep, just about like I thought. 164, 165. We're in the middle of the stall here. Oh, it's going in like butter too. 170 over here. So we are at a perfect place. I'm going to wrap this up. We're going to get this to 200 degrees. So in that 8 hours, we did use quite a bit of pellets, so I'm going to need to refill the hopper. So it's just past 11 o'clock in the morning, and we've just hit 200 degrees, so 12-hour cook, not bad.